Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove the duplicate contacts on our Android device. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So you can start by opening up the contacts application on your device. Open it up, and once you open it up, you can access their settings. So once you are here, look out for the three horizontal menu in the top left and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you will be finding different options. You may go ahead and look out for the option called Manage Contact and select it. Once you select it up here, you should be finding different options available. Now, what you need to do is basically look out for the option called Merge Contacts and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you can go ahead and select Merge All. So you can select the all option like this, and you can select up the contact. And when you do, in the very last option, you should be finding the merge option. You can just go ahead and tap on it and confirm it up. When you do, it will merge all of the contact and it will sync everything online and will keep it clean forever. And once that happens, the contact will be clean list and no duplicates. And that is it. That is how you do it. So therefore, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.